I came down today. One reason I came down today was because there was not a Zoom link or a Teams link or whatever you guys are using like you've done before. So I would appreciate it personally, I think, along with a lot of the other public, that you guys would be consistent in your meetings. Offer the Zoom link instead of the YouTube link. The YouTube link is convenient when you're having meetings because you don't get interaction with the public. But I think being a public board such as this, I would encourage the public comment for it. I would like to say that I'm not quite sure either why legal has gotten involved. The public since 2020 has lost a lot of trust, and I've stated this before, in government in general, in our healthcare system. And we realize now that we were not told the truth. Um, I don't even know if we were told tidbits of the truth, but the public seeks the truth. And by not offering informed consent, and you guys weren't even, if I remember right, the motion was not to have informed consent, but the motion was to form a committee that was going to look into informed consent and maybe pass on some materials to the board, or look at what informed consent would look at. And the board can either choose to deny those requests or those, I guess, yes, thank you, suggestions. You can approve it, or you can deny it, or you can modify it. So I'm not really sure what the big deal was with not wanting to have a committee, not wanting to form a committee. I've talked to one of the board members since then, and they said that they were kind of misunderstanding what was actually being voted on, possibly. So maybe it wasn't clear enough to all the board members of what was actually being voted on, but it was not to bring in informed consent. It was to form a committee to look into informed consent. So I'm not sure why the legal team is here for that. I'm not a lawyer, but I don't see any legal repercussions of forming a committee that the board is not bound by its recommendations. So I would highly encourage the board to re-entertain looking at putting together a committee and seeing where that goes, basically a steering committee. I think was all that was being asked for. So I appreciate you guys' consideration.